It's all about problems and solutions.
Ah, Nico! Of course, you guys already know each other.
Nico, good to see you.
Interesting friendships you both keep.
Yeah, very interesting. The mayor will be here in a minute, and I have 2 senators dropping by later. Everyone wants to pay homage to a dying legend. Everyone wants the glamour of a bygone age.
Everyone. Now did you hear what I said?
Yeah, I heard what you said. Nico, our friend here, is telling me that the Ancelottis are in league with the Russians. Ancelottis? I know these guys 73 years. In 1972, I should have killed his uncle, but I spared him. And this is how he repays me? Unbelievable! And now he's dealing drugs with Ivan the goddamn Terrible.
So what we're saying is, this is a matter of security, national. Normally I don't care about cocaine, keeps controllable people in power, but this is no good.
All right, what's my role in this?
The distribution network is a fleet of vans parked at a grocery warehouse in Albany City. The product is packed into the frames of the vans, ready to be moved all over the country. Destroy everything, whatever it takes.
And for me?
For you? I've got a real gift for you. Get this done, then we'll talk.
Hey guys, what's going on? Kazam says here, bringing back some more Grand Theft Auto 4 main story missions gameplay. This is the mission called Liquidize the Assets, which of course you got to take out the drug traffickers and the truck during this mission. So just head over to this compound.
Fuck me! I need a drink!
Okay, and now let's rock and roll. Now, all of these dudes that you just saw in the mini cutscene were just showing where all the enemies are, and just give you a sense of idea of how many dudes are there. So, if you've got a sniper, like I have, best thing to do is to take out any of the guys that's on the roof first, or try to size out the compound with a sniper, and let's see what happens. But of course, I see these 2 guys onto the roof. So, as soon as you take one out, it will trigger a shootout. So there's no like these guys are waiting or anything like that. They will just come at you straight away. So here we go. So you should go, and as you can see, you can't climb over this gate really, so you got to get into the compound. So just climb over this fence, and then just climb over to the wall on the left hand side using these crates. And oh, that's a fail. And yeah, you see, fail, jump. Okay, here we go. Now, as you can see on the minimap, you can see all the red dots there. Those are all your fans, all your target fans that you had to destroy. So there's a total of 5 fans, as you can see on the map. So yeah, just take out these guys as you go along. These guys are not shown on the map, so it's kind of, so you got to be careful just to see, just so you don't get killed.
Don't fuck with me!
Just try to take out that guy. Oh yes, that's a free aim. Kill that guy. There's a guy on the roof there, but I can't. Oh yes, there we go. On the head. Nice. Now try to see any more dudes. Ah, there you go. You see, one of these surprising dudes that will just come out. Now, to finish off these missions, obviously you got to destroy all these fans, and there's a body armor just on the left hand side on top of one of the crates. Nice. Woo! Didn't notice that guy. And first thing to do is concentrate to take out any of the guys that's there first before you go on to destroy the fans. Other than that, if you try to destroy the fans, these guys will just be shooting at you. It would just be super annoying. So this was my strategy, to take out any guys here as soon as possible, or as much as possible, and then we just head over to destroy the fans. As you can see, I was scrolling through my weapon cycle, and I don't have any form of explosives. So I'm gonna do the old-fashioned way. Shoot out the fans, which is a bit stupid, because it is a lot more time-consuming if I do it this way. So obviously one of the smart things to do is to head over to the ammunition store, or any place that you can find any form of explosives, like a RPG or a grenade. So it'll be a lot easier when you do this mission. Now, of course, as I go along, I realized I was trying to see if there is any of the explosives that I can find lying on the floor. So no, so I pick out the shotgun, and as you can see, shoot out the engine is a lot quicker. See, look, it's already on fire. So it's a lot quicker if you shoot out directly at the engine. If you shoot from the back, it's not gonna work. And you just gonna, it will work, but you'll be wasting 5 times more bullets than you normally should. So actually, normally just that's it. That's it. How many rounds is it? 6 rounds? 8 rounds. Shotguns, I'll say about 6. So let's count to get 1, 2. There's a 3. There's a 4. There's a 5. There's a 6. There's a 7. I'll just use the whole clip. Just bash it out.
Protect the vans.
Where's that guy there?
I'll rip your fucking car.
Huh? Still alive. The shotgun's got range. Okay, there you go. So I'm just waiting for the fans to explode, and then you actually destroy it. So as you see on the map, still got about 4, but it doesn't matter. They're on fire, so I'll just let it burn. No problem by me. So that's on fire.
Fuck you.
So I don't want to die there, so I'll get out of the garage.
He's after the vans.
And there's a guy there. Take him out, idiot. Now there's this guy. 2. And surprisingly, what the heck? That guy just got into the fan. So anyway, that is supposed to happen. Somebody is supposed to get into the fan and try to escape with one of the fans. But of course, by the time I got to the fan, luckily I was shooting out the engine already, so he got out the fan on time, and the fan still got destroyed by the time he got here. And that's it. So I finished the mission, and your reward is $14,500. The best thing to do next time, best to arm yourself with RPGs and grenades.
I have put your competitors out of business.
You've given a dying man a few minutes of happiness, Nico. I'm pleased to be helping you out with this thing you need. We'll speak again when Darko Brevich is in the country.
Alright, and now that's it. I'm Kasam Sensei. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm out. Peace.